Hey folks, as I mentioned on my previous videos, this week was the local fest conference in Berlin, and I get a lot of insights and a lot of topics that I want to talk with you. And it's a lot of interesting things like the universal, version control things, moldable software, and all other stuff. The local fest community is moving, but I am observing for the couple of years because I part of quite a different architecture communities that we have a lot of similarities and we could benefit from each other. So I really believe that self-sovereign identity and identity solutions that self-sovereign identity community have could impact positively the local fast community and vice versa. And one of the interesting insights that I found on the local first conference that really could impact the artificial intelligence agents and artificial intelligence sovereignty and all the thing. It's the new category of the applications that called the local first social apps. Because the people are social creatures, and if you want to create the human-like artificial intelligence, the artificial intelligence agents behave more like humans, and everything is cool when you have your agent locally and he do something for you. But in some point you want to interact with other people. Your agent wants to interact with other people. Your agent wants to interact with other agents that maybe could do something for him, and you wants to pay it back. That's why we have the agent-to-agent protocol. That's why we have some protocols like the MCPs that allows the agents talk to some external sources and all the thing. So we slightly building this infrastructure, but one of the insights that I guess from the local fast conference that one of the talks of Jana, that the part and the founder of Anytype, that yeah, for sure you want to own your data, and we not talking about it. It's clear. It's clear for the local fast community. It's clear also for the self-sovereign identity community, because we all about the ownership and responsibility. But yet another assets that are super crucial. It's only not only the data, but communication channel. The communication channel and your own audience, the ability to take these people with whom you talk with you, do not depend on the platform, and the communication channel and social relations are assets itself, and these communication channels and assets and the trust in this equation, it's really critical, and how we could make it's possible in an agent-to-agent setup. Yeah, because it's a common problem for creators. For example, I'm as a YouTuber locked to YouTube because I couldn't take my audience with me. I couldn't take you with me and continue talking with you despite if YouTube will exist or not. And one of the biggest insight that we have growing cluster of the new type of software where Anytype really pioneering, or any right now, how they call themselves, because they really try to give you the ownership of channels and communication, and it was quite successful project around this, but right now it's practically dead. It was the decentralized web node, and right now guys try to build something their own, and it's critical for the artificial intelligence because if you have a swarm of your agents that already have some stable relations with other people and agents, you really want to own, if not entire network, then at least some critical connections and trust that you already built. And I believe that we need to join this movement and actually try to do it together. That's why I'm so keen to talk with the Anytype folks more. And we also in keen building something similar, but right now we focus on privacy of your own data and your own thoughts and communication of your own with the agent. But we also believe in a social brain and human interaction. And at some point, your kin will be able to talk with external agents, external data, and actually interact with other kins also in a community. So why not? That's why all this work of the local fast social apps, they are crucial for our future. So let's stay connected and build it together. See you next time. Choose.